computer is not working properly. I can't open any of my favorite applications.
Hey, Luna, what's going on?
Mappy, my computer is acting weird. It is not working properly.
Let me see what the issue is and if we can fix it. First, let me check if the application is working on my laptop or not.
See, it is working on your laptop, but not mine.
I think it's because of Windows. Your computer might need an update.
Windows? What's that?
Haven't you heard of Windows 10? It's like a magical world inside your computer. Windows 10 has tons of cool features that makes working using our own computer super fun. First, let's talk about the interface. It's like a virtual playground. The Start menu is like a menu card of a restaurant, which provides a treasure chest full of your favorite apps. And Cortana is like your helpful computer buddy.
Wow! Windows 10 sounds awesome. What about those multiple desktops?
Multiple desktops are like having different rooms for different tasks. It helps keep things neat and organized. With Windows snapping, you can arrange your windows like puzzle pieces. It's like magic. And there's Microsoft Edge, your window to the internet. You can find all sorts of cool applications and software in the Microsoft Store too. The desktop is like your computer's workplace. It's where you find everything you need. This is the Start button. Clicking on it opens the Start menu, which has all your programs and apps.
Oh, that's so cool.
These live tiles are like dynamic shortcuts. They show real-time updates from your favorite apps. You can resize tiles to make them bigger or smaller too. And if you want to remove a tile, you can do that too. Icons on the desktop are like visual shortcuts. You can double-click them to open files or programs. Let me show you.
Oh, got it.
The taskbar. The taskbar is like the control center of your computer.
What can I do with it?
Lots of things. You can access all your programs and open Windows from here. And you can pin your favorite apps to the taskbar for quick access. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about the files and folders. A file is a container that stores related information such as documents, music, or videos on a storage device. A folder is a virtual space used to organize and store files or other folders on a computer.
How can we create folder?
To create a folder, right-click on a blank area of the desktop. Select New, then Folder. A new folder will appear. Type your desired name and press Enter to save it.
Oh, this is amazing.
Now, let's create a folder in File Explorer. To create a folder in File Explorer, open File Explorer. Go to the desired location. Click on the Home tab. Select New Folder. Then type the folder name and press Enter.
Oh, I got it, Mappy.
Now, let's rename the folder. To rename a folder, select the folder. Click on the Home tab. Choose Rename. Type the new name and press Enter.
And what about file?
To rename a file, select the file. Click on the Home tab. choose Rename. Type the new name and press Enter. Now, do you know, Luna, about copying a file or folder? Copying a file or folder means creating a duplicate of the original file or folder without removing the original and placing the copy in the same or a different location as needed. To copy a folder, right-click on the folder you want to copy. Select Copy, then right-click at the desired location and select Paste. A duplicate of the folder will be created there. To copy a file, right-click on the file you want to copy. Select Copy, then right-click at the target location and select Paste. The file will be copied to that location.
Okay, Mappy. Can we move the file or folder also?
First, moving a file or folder means transferring it from one location to another by removing it from the original place and placing it in the new location. To move a file or folder, right-click the item, select Cut. Then, right-click the desired location and select Paste to move it from the original to the new location.
I got it.
Now, let's talk about deleting a file or folder, which means permanently removing it from a storage device, so it can no longer be accessed or recovered from its original location. To delete a file or folder, right-click the file or folder, select Delete, and it will be permanently removed from its location, Luna.
Oh, this is very interesting. If we delete the file by mistake, can we restore it also?
Yes. To restore a file or folder from the recycle bin, double-click the recycle bin icon. Right-click the file or folder you want to restore and select Restore, and it will return to its original location.
This is very interesting, Mappy.
A shortcut icon lets you quickly open an application by double-clicking it and is marked by a small arrow on the icon. To create a shortcut, click the Start button, drag the desired app, example MS Word, to the desktop, and a shortcut with an arrow will appear.
Okay, Mappy. What about the context menu?
The context menu or shortcut menu appears when you right-click on the desktop or icons, providing quick access to command. Right-clicking the desktop shows options like Personalize, where you can customize backgrounds and appearance. Right-clicking an icon shows options like Properties, which displays details about the file or program. The context menu helps you navigate and customize your computer. See, it is really helpful for changing settings and stuff. You can customize your desktop too.
Wow, I will definitely try that out. Thanks, Mappy. I learned a lot today.
Welcome, Luna. See you later.